Hey friends, guess who's back with more Temu? Can I just say the last Temu haul that I uploaded over here, you guys were flipping hilarious. The amount of comments I saw of like, woohoo, Temu, we love the Temu hauls. Thank you guys bunches. Now if I'm holding my neck a little funny and everything, I had to get like a procedure thingy done on my neck. So yeah, I just had that done, so my neck is still swollen. It's a whole debacle, but we're back with a Temu haul. If you've never heard of Temu, well, let me just tell you, Temu is actually an app that you can download that has everything, and man, am I going to show you everything today. And I promise y'all, I say it in every doggone video, but I do hope to get a vlog up showing you guys the different things that I've decorated our camper with all the Temu. I mean, we're talking outdoor mats, which some of you guys told me in my haul, like, did you know that was reversible? I did not. The only reason I knew it was reversible is because when my husband put it down, he was like, which side do you want? He bebopped back in. He was like, what side do you want? I'm like, what are you talking about? He said, you know the rug's reversible, right? I'm like, no. He's like, do you want the more tan side or the more aqua blue side? I'm like, wait a dang on minute. You guys, this thing is so nice. We have it. It's an outdoor patio rug. And I, again, will eventually... I go down and I just relax. I need to do a little work showing you guys everything, but it's literally an outdoor carpet that you can just walk barefoot on and it doesn't like prickle you. It's amazing. So anyways, Temu, the app has everything. Actually, my outfit today is from Temu that I have on. I hauled it over on my other channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. I've got a ton of their clothes, their shoes, their slippers, you name it. They have lightning deals, flash sales, free shipping, free returns, and free price adjustments. You literally just can't beat it. They do give us like a little search code and a special little link and everything. So if you download the app with my link, or just go over to open your app and then go into the search section for the code that they're gonna have down in the description box for you guys, it's gonna be some of my favorites. So thank you to Temu for letting me pick these goodies out. So this is an electric mosquito killer, and I'm telling you, somebody told me to use like cinnamon and something else. Cinnamon, water, and I think it's vanilla. Shake it and put it and spray yourself down. I'm gonna try that, but you know how it is when you're outdoors. Like, we get our yard treated for mosquitoes, so it's not as bad, but you know how it is when you're camping. Like, my husband wasn't even like in the neck of the woods or nothing. It was just around our camper, and he got 2 ticks on him in less than 24 hours. Any recommendations? I'd like to go natural if possible. You guys may have, let your girl know. Do you remember these as a kid? My husband was like, hey, if you find one on Temu, can you grab it? So we will definitely try it and take it down to the camper. So this, a lot of you guys in my last haul had even said that is such a cute idea as a Christmas gift. And I was like, yes. Let me just tell you, my kid took the green one. And actually, here it is. My child loves it, so I got it in purple too. So there's a variety. I had to snag that one back out of the bedroom. But yeah, these are so cute. These are so expensive. You can get like larger sizes too on Temu if you want. But I just thought this was like a nice little purse, you know. I'm in like a new journey of life, you know. Like, I don't need the big ginormous purse. And you know, it's like, this is still cute and trendy and everything, and I just thought it was so cute. Comes in a bunch of different colors, and like I said, one of you guys said that is like the perfect gift for your teenager. I have to agree. Okay, this is just a cutesy wootsy bracelet, and I've got a bunch of random stuff for today's haul, guys. Like, it's pretty random. Oh, it's real nice and bendy. Oh, I like this already. I can do it with one hand. How cute is that? Isn't that fun? I like that a lot, and it's easy to put on, easy to take off, and I feel like if you have a bit bigger of a wrist, this is going to work out for you as well. I like that. All right, this is actually a restock. I get these little, I know they're not like technically a dermaplane razor, but it's just like a little razor. And I shave off my peach fuzz. Some people agree with it, some don't, but I don't mind it. If you want to shape your brows with it, whatever. And I get these, it's a 20-pack, crazy affordable, and the blades are actually good. These keep shocking me every single time I pick them up. It's just like a little change purse, I guess, kind of deal, but the quality of them, like I hauled the little pink one. You can like attach to, I guess it could attach to like your purse or a school bag, what have you. But I keep seeing these and they're so cute. You can attach like keys in here too. It's like a change purse almost. But I hauled a pink one in the last video, and actually I'll try and remember to link the video down below. I had gotten a little bit bigger and longer of a pink one, and it was perfect. Like all I did was I packed my lip gloss, which is on today, my Butterfly Kisses, one of the cream contours, which is on my face today, a mascara and a brush to go. That was like my make, and my blush palette, and that's all I took with me the last time we went down to the lake. And you guys, it was like the perfect handy dandy little makeup thing. So anyways, I thought I'd pick up more of these because with back to school and everything, your kid going to college, whatever, it's got like a little clippy and everything. This would be so perfect, you know, and the quality is so nice. Ooh, I got the matching earrings. Okay, so the earrings match the bracelet, and here's the deal. I have crazy sensitive ears, but I can still wear Temu earrings. I just dip it in like Vaseline, and I can get them no issues whatsoever. But these are really cute little hoops. They may have come in like silver, I honestly don't remember, but these are really precious. All right, in case you didn't know, your girl is pretty huge on football. And how cute is this? Now, I didn't remember seeing orange, or I would have grabbed that, but I got the closest to white. Maybe I should have gotten black. You guys know I'm a big Bengals fan. I mean, this actually matches my outfit. I mean, I wouldn't wear it like that, but I flippin' love this. How cute. I've gotten a few of the headbands from Temu, and let me just tell you, a lot of people have been saying that they shop at boutiques and everything, and they're finding Temu clothing, headbands, the big drinks, like the big, what are those called? Tumblers. All of that stuff at the boutiques. I'm telling you, I've seen these kind of headbands at the boutiques. If you get them from Temu, you're not paying the big boutique price. Listen, I am a camper lover through and through. How flipping cute is that? It says don't care. Isn't that so cute? I love it. Okay, so these are like the same style, only dangly earrings instead of hoop. I'm telling you, you can get the cutest flipping earrings at Temu in jewelry. And again, all I'm going to do is just dip it right in my Vaseline, it'll be fine. Matter of fact, the back of, if you got my collection with Over Cosmetics, the Sweet and Sassy collection, on the back, oh, I don't have it sitting out here. Anyways, on the back of my pictures, the earrings that I have in are from Temu. I just dipped them in Vaseline and popped them in. And if you guys watch my video over on TikTok and on Instagram, I'm wearing those earrings. I'm telling you, I haul the stuff and I obviously wear the stuff. These are just hooks. I don't know if my husband will let me use them down at our camper, because I know like a camper wall is different, and these have the stickies on the back, but I'm hopeful. But we need some towel hooks, and I thought maybe this on the door. It's a set of 2 little hooks. I'm hoping. I don't know, but they're really flipping nice. So I'm hoping maybe if you're just hanging up a towel, I feel like it would be fine. For those of you that have campers, like, let me know down below. Can we hang stuff like that? I mean, on the door? I don't want to ruin nothing. Oh my god. Okay, so this is another thing that I have been seeing all over TikTok, and I went to go to the typical seller that you would see, we'll just say Prime, figure it out from that. Crazy expensive. And I said, just out of curiosity, let's see what the Temu has. They literally have them at a fraction of the cost. So Rhonda, what is it? It is, if you have a remote starter thingy, or not, a key, what is that called? A key fob. You put your key fob in here, but you get like a little bedazzled. Isn't that so cute? I'm gonna put this little plastic piece in there. Yeah. And then of course you've got this, and you can get it personalized with an R. Isn't that so cute? You guys know I love bling and I love pink. So yeah, I found that, and you guys, it was so much. It was the most affordable price at Temu. What a cute little gift would this make? Like this, you get a new car or something. Like, I'm so excited over that. They had different initials and everything. Okay, I'm cracking up. Obviously, I did think it through. So I also did get it in black, so that will match my Bengals jersey. How flipping cute. I'm telling you all, like, the amount of headbands I've gotten from Temu, and I legitimately wear them, and they're comfortable. Like, for me, I can't handle the kind that like squish your brain. These are super, super comfortable headbands. So even if you're like getting it for your child or whatever, just know that they're really, really comfortable. You're not going to worry about them digging into your temples. I love them. I did get some more of the little jewelry pieces. Listen, you know one thing I'm learning from, oh, these are earrings. I thought they were bracelets. No lie, no joke. These are big. But I have been seeing more and more people talk about, like, what do they say? The rich stay wealthy because they're not actually sporting the crazy expensive bags. Like, it may look like it's the crazy expensive bag, but it's not. And I'm like, I'm gonna take that and run with it. So yeah, you can be bougie on a budget. These are really big, but they're really nice and lightweight, and I might just pull them off. They're really nice, and I think that there's a designer jewelry company with that design. Is it LV? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Okay, this reminded me of like what is it? Kendra Scott maybe? I don't know, but I see a lot of people wear these. I don't wear necklaces too often. Like, you'll catch me wear the pendant that says mom on it that my son had gotten me, but I thought this was a cute one too. Like, for me, I get scared to wear my jewelry down at the lake, but I still want to wear jewelry. So I thought about getting pieces like this, this is really nice. It has like a, I don't know which one that would be, but it's really pretty. It almost looks like a mother of pearl in there. And I've gotten a lot of the Temu jewelry, and I've had great success with it. Okay, these were just really fun. And I'm telling you, if I had gotten these before my photo shoot, I probably would have sported these with the dress. How fun are these? And I love that they're lightweight. I can't do heavy earrings whatsoever. Aren't those so pretty? I feel like they'd match my outfit today. Aren't those so cute? Oops, I had it twisted. Precious, right? If you guys watched my last haul, I had actually hauled, they look like the Scrub Daddies, and I did end up getting like a sponge holder doohickey, but I also found this where it literally holds your Scrub Daddies. Isn't that so perfect? Like, perfect. I guess I'll just bring one back home and then, because I took all the sponges down there, so I'll just take this down with us. All right, next in here, I'm stocking back up on slippers. The last haul, I got cherry slippers, and here's what I do. These slippers are so nice, y'all, and they're so affordable. So these are in the 42-43 size. Just for reference, I wear about a 7.5 to an 8. These fit perfectly. They're like a nice chenille on the inside type of feel. Nice, have the gripper on the bottom. If you're like me, I always run around in a slipper because I'm very clumsy, okay? So I stock up on these. They last well, and then I started going through my slippers, and I've got some that are just for like when I travel, so I can wear them in the hotel and stuff, because you know how nasty a hotel is. I do bring them home and I do wash them, and they wash perfectly. I don't have any issues, but it's time to get some new ones, so I'm stocking back up. Sunglass organizer. I've been getting so many different sunglasses that I need to see them, because I'm the type of person that if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. So I found this on Temu. Once again, crazy affordable, and it was a better deal. And I didn't want like the circular ones. I wanted like a kind of a space saver, so I felt like I could either hang that on the wall, the back of the door or something. But it's like little felt pockets, and you can just slide it in. You can see all of your sunglasses. How perfect is that? I'll definitely be putting this to use, because like I said, if I can't see it, they don't exist. and it's not good. And then they just end up piled everywhere. These are things that I wish I had for Haley's wedding, but it's a pack of 3, and I got like 5 packs of them. These are so handy if you're outside. You literally, it's like a little food umbrella. Look at that. Yeah, isn't that perfect? And then you put it over there and you don't have to worry about freaking flies in your deviled eggs. Yes, please. So yeah, it's a 3-pack, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna keep some up here and then some down at the lake. These are one of those things that you don't realize you need until you need them. The other thing Haley's in-laws had at the wedding was like these little fans that just swirl over the food to keep the flies away. Yeah, I picked up some of those. Those are amazing. Highly recommend. So if you're having a shindig or anything, any grill outs, anything outdoors, pick these up. Like I said, they have flash sales, lightning deals, all of that all the time. Just a quick little reminder, everything that I'm showing you in today's video is in fact listed and linked down in my description box. I will also pin it in my pinned post section, and all of the current prices and everything are going to be down there. Like I said, they have lightning deals and flash sales, but they have price adjustments. So if you pick something up for one price, just go back into your account and you can get a price adjustment. It's really, really nice. This, I love options. And how cute is this? You know the brand that this looks like, right? I've hauled so many. Like, matter of fact, my snack bag that I keep in the car for when we're traveling, it looks like this. It literally, if you went to the store and had this done up, you're talking hundreds of dollars. Okay, maybe like $100. I would prefer not to spend that. So it's this really adorable lunchbox for moms, your kids going back to school, college, what have you. You like it for yourself. Comes with a little strap. Let me hook it to the other side so you guys can get the full effect. You've got like the cooler material. You've got the little pockets here. This did come in other colors, so if your kid's not down for pink, that's okay. You can hold it like this, or the strap. And this is so freaking cute. Just to give you all options, I picked out the pink one selfishly for myself, but how cute is that? Like, just so you guys can see, like, how adorable, right? Variety. You need selection in your life. I love that. And how cute would that be to like fill it up with a goodie for like back to school stuff? Speaking of back to school, I did pick out another lunchbox. Zipper's good, insulated, good size, super cute. You have a little outside pocket and everything. But isn't that so adorable? Like your baby child going back to school, like, these are so precious. I love that so much. These look so nice and bougie, and yet they're so affordable. And lunchboxes are crazy expensive. So if your grandbabies need some lunchboxes, definitely check these out. Okay, so I took the one from last haul down with us. This can hang on the wall, which is what I think I'm gonna end up doing with it. But let me just tell you, these come in so flippin' handy. So this one actually has like a little hook, and it opens and hooks in. This one, oh, it's got the screws in there. Flips open, you can put all your grocery bags in there, and then look, that is so precious. Then you can just hang it on the wall. We'll have to be really careful because we get a little crazy when we're pulling a bag out. But how freaking nice is that? All right, friends, so that is everything for today's Temu haul. I think we definitely had some really good finds. I am loving this bracelet. As always, everything is going to be linked and listed down below for you guys. And if you like this outfit unboxing or haul will have gone up Sunday, July 21st. So go head over to my other channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, if you're interested in this little outfit. It is so cozy. I've gotten so many compliments today. I was out running errands. Definitely make sure to check out my other channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. Tons of Temu hauls. And everything, like I said, will be linked and listed down below. Thank you once again to Temu for letting me pick out all of these goodies. I'll be back with some more. My battery is now flashing at me, so I'm gonna hop off for now, rest my neck up. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing.